Hey everyone. Okay, welcome again to heritagevault.online. Today I will be showing you on enhancing your damaged photo. Okay, let's get started right now here. I'll click on the feature, drop down. I'll click the photo gallery, and we're gonna upload all our photos. Keep my photos in my download, and there it is right there, the couple. And it's going to upload right now. It's going to populate right there. All right, so I'll just click it, or left click on your mouse. I'll bring up right here. We're going to enhance photo right here. I click on it. So it's the photo, we're going for the damage repair right here. So we select it, there's select, and click enhance 7 credits. So AI is doing its works right now. As you can see, the progress bar is working. Thanks for waiting, folks. And there you have it. You say enhance completed. Your photos can enhance. Click and view photo to see the result. Click and view your enhanced photo. Click it. And there you go. You saw how the damage it is on the good right here, and the cracks right here. You barely can see it right here. But I'm going to add these to your showcase to really show you the differences right here. Alright, I'm going to click the plus symbol right here. To place it up here so we can do a preview. Okay, there it is. So I'm going to click on the preview. And here it goes. Okay, what an amazing difference right here. I'm going to slide it over to the right. You see how damaged this is? The crease is all out, the damage right there. Right there, you can barely see it's a faded picture right here. So let me slide it over to the left. Oh, you see the creases will be gone. Take a look at that, folks. Amazing, isn't it? Okay, one more time. Original, enhance. What a difference, huh? Alright, that's about it for today. Thanks for coming by again at Heritage Vault Online. Alright, well thanks again. You guys have a great, wonderful day. Alright. See you again next time. Come visit again. Bye.